A bad email can waste more than a few minutes. It can make you sound unclear. It can make a simple request feel awkward. It can make a follow-up sound either too soft or too pushy. And sometimes, one bad email creates 3 more emails just to explain what you meant. That is the problem ChatGPT can help fix. Not by blindly writing every email for you, but by helping you turn messy thoughts into clear, professional messages that are easier to read and easier to answer. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write better emails, how to fix weak drafts, how to choose the right tone, and how to avoid the mistake that makes AI emails sound fake. Stay until the end, because I'll give you one reusable email prompt you can save. Let's start with the reason most ChatGPT emails sound generic. Most people give ChatGPT a weak prompt. They type, write a follow-up email, or write a professional email. That is not enough. ChatGPT has to guess who the email is for, what happened, what you want, and how long the message should be. When ChatGPT has to guess, the email usually sounds safe, bland, and forgettable. The fix is simple. Give ChatGPT 5 things. Who the email is going to. What happened. What you want. What tone you need. And how long the email should be. Here is the formula. Write an email to, recipient, about, situation. The goal is, goal. Use a, tone. Keep it under, word count, words. That formula is simple, but it changes the quality of the answer immediately. For example, do not say, write a follow-up email. Say, write a short, polite follow-up email to a client who has not replied in 1 week. Ask if they reviewed the proposal. Keep it friendly and under 100 words. Now ChatGPT knows what to do. That is the difference between a generic email and a usable one. Now let's make this practical. The first email is the follow-up. This is one of the most common emails people struggle with. You do not want to sound annoying, but you also need a reply. A weak follow-up might sound like this: hi, just following up again to see if you saw my last email. Let me know. It is not terrible, but it is vague and easy to ignore. A better ChatGPT prompt is, write a friendly follow-up email to a client who has not replied to my proposal after 1 week. Ask if they reviewed it, offer to answer questions, and keep it under 100 words. The result might be, hi, name, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to follow up and see if you had a chance to review the proposal I sent last week. Please let me know if you have any questions or if a quick call would be helpful. Best, your name. That is short. It is polite. And it makes the next step clear. But here is the part beginners miss. Do not accept the first version automatically. If it sounds too formal, say, make it warmer and more natural. If it sounds too soft, say, make it more direct without sounding pushy. That second prompt is where the email usually gets better. Now let's talk about one of the best ways to use ChatGPT for email. Fixing a messy draft. Instead of asking ChatGPT to invent the email from scratch, write your rough version first. It can be messy. It can be too long. It can sound awkward. That is fine. Then ask ChatGPT to clean it up. Use this prompt, rewrite this email so it sounds clear, professional, and natural. Keep the meaning the same. Make it shorter if possible. The phrase "keep the meaning the same" matters. It keeps ChatGPT from changing your message too much. For example, your rough draft might say, hey, I don't think we got the document yet and we need it soon, so can you send it when you have time? A better version could be, hi, name, I wanted to check whether the document is available yet. Could you please send it over when you have a chance? We'll need it soon for the next step. Thank you. Same message. Cleaner tone. Less friction. This is why ChatGPT is useful for email. It reduces the blank page problem and the wording problem at the same time. Now let's cover tone, because tone is where many AI-written emails fail. They sound too formal, too polished, too generic, or like a template anyone could have copied. The fix is to tell ChatGPT the tone directly. Use phrases like, professional but friendly, polite but direct, warm and concise, clear and confident, firm but respectful, natural and not robotic. For example, if you need to remind someone about a deadline, do not just say, write a reminder email. Say, write a polite but direct reminder email. Mention the deadline clearly and ask them to confirm when it is complete. Make it sound natural, not robotic. That final line helps a lot. Make it sound natural, not robotic. Another useful trick is to ask for 3 versions. Use this prompt: give me 3 versions of this email, one friendly, one direct, and one very short. This gives you options. The friendly version may be better for a client. The direct version may be better for a deadline. The short version may be better when the person already knows the context. You do not need to use the first output. You choose the best version. That is how you stay in control. Now let's cover the biggest mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1: sending the first AI draft without reviewing it. Never do that for an important email. Check if it sounds like you. Check if the facts are right. Check if the request is clear. Mistake number 2: letting ChatGPT make the email too long. AI often adds extra polite sentences. If the email feels bloated, say, cut this by 40% and keep only the important points. Mistake number 3: using the wrong tone for the relationship. A client email, a coworker email, and a manager email may need different tones. Tell ChatGPT who the message is for. Mistake number 4: hiding the next step. A good email should make it obvious what you want the other person to do. Reply with an answer. Approve something. Send a document. Confirm a deadline. Choose a meeting time. Mistake number 5: using AI carelessly for sensitive emails. For conflict, HR issues, legal matters, money, serious complaints, or anything confidential, use ChatGPT carefully. Use it to organize your thoughts and improve clarity. But review every word before sending. Now here is a simple email workflow you can use every time. Step 1: write the messy version first. Do not worry about sounding polished. Just write what you're trying to say. Step 2: tell ChatGPT the recipient and goal. Step 3: choose the tone. Step 4: ask for a shorter version. Step 5: ask for 3 options if the email matters. Step 6: review and personalize before sending. Here is the reusable prompt: act like a professional writing assistant. I need to write an email to recipient. Situation: explain situation. Goal: goal. Tone: tone. Keep it under word count, words. Make it clear, natural, and easy to respond to. The most important phrase is easy to respond to. Because a good email is not just well written. A good email makes the next step obvious. Before we finish, here are 3 prompts worth saving. 1. Rewrite this email to be clearer, shorter, and more professional. Keep the meaning the same. 2. Make this email polite but direct. Remove unnecessary explanation. 3. Review this email before I send it. Tell me if the tone is too harsh, too vague, too formal, or too long. The main lesson is this. Do not use ChatGPT to replace your judgment. Use it to reduce the blank page problem, improve the tone, shorten the message, and make the next step clearer. If you do that, email becomes faster and less stressful. You spend less time wondering how to say something, and more time moving the conversation forward. If this helped, subscribe to AI Daily for simple AI tools, ChatGPT tips, and productivity workflows for beginners. Turn on notifications if you want to know when the next practical AI workflow goes live. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.